Alright, I'm already going for it, guys. I'm gonna go for 3 units on each account.
Order filled.
There it is, and I'm gonna do the same on Hypertix.
Order filled.
There it is. That will be the trade for the day. Gonna be around there. Alright. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna extend TP on Arctics. I got a bit of a better entry.
I tried everything, coffee, Pomodoro, and binaural beats, but nothing stuck until I tried this.
Alright, should be good enough. Alright, we're starting to re-rig the lows here. It's looking pretty good. I would expect to TP very, very soon. So yesterday we got stuck inside of almost the same trade, same area. Today looks like we can drive with the spiking liquidity up. And we have the space to go down way below those levels, way below for example 6 a.m. yesterday. I gotta go on the copy trader, place my take profit. Oh, what the hell? 52. If Asian lows is a bad TP, it's a bad TP for me. If it works on your strategy and you're consistently going for those, you can go for it. Where's my stop loss at? It's right there. If we look at the 5-minute on deep charts right now, we're starting to flip bearish. So we printed our top wick, now we're flipping. Looks very good, and I think we should get TP in a few minutes at most. We could end up not flipping though. There's 20 seconds left on the candle. We could hesitate here, maybe make it a new high. Here's the rebreak of the lows.
Order filled.
All right, there it is. There it is. I didn't even see my screen. I was looking at my desktop audio on the YouTube stream. I don't know if you if you guys could even hear me talk. But yeah, that's TP for the day. Now let's go to the interactive journal. Where we journal every single trade we take live. It's available in my YouTube description, or not even only my YouTube description. It's available in my TikTok bio as well, in the Discord. So that I already journaled it here. And basically, we did 93 points on this one. Took the entry on the 4:25 a.m. candle. And now we're gonna add the YouTube link with the timestamp. All right, so and we're gonna screenshot trading view, so we're going to do that from the YouTube stream. All right, so we go inside the journal. We got our screenshot here. All right, so for each trade, you get the YouTube link with the timestamp of when I took the trade. So that's the start of 2025. And then you get the trading view screenshot as well. So you can interactively study my trades. All right. There we go. That's basically the trade that we just took. So that was pretty quick. We under risk on this one. So we didn't make 150 exactly. On each account, we made 139 times 10. And this counts. Okay, so we're still at a loss for the year. Which should make sense. The formula's wrong. I think we're in profit for the year. Am I tripping? 600. No, we're still at a loss. Okay, perfect. So there it is. All right. So that was the trade today. I'm just gonna recap basically from the YouTube screen. I just can't open TradingView 2 times at once, but you guys on TikTok will see this screenshot, right? But you can go to my YouTube to see what I'm actually talking about when recapping the trade. I'm live every day on YouTube, TradeThrive 1. There's a link in the bio, or you can just search me up. All right. So basically, yesterday we tried the same sell. It went well during the live stream, and as soon as I ended it, we drove up. In my opinion, it was just like a price manipulation move. It will happen like 10% of the time on NQ, where you go for something, it just doesn't go your way, and it just drives completely in the other direction. So with my negative RR, it's gonna happen 10% of the time where I lose trades like that, and it comes back in my direction later next session. And we don't get discouraged. We just take the same idea, same trade idea. Price was looking very similar, where from the opening of Asian until, let's say, the end of Asian session at 4 a.m., we are printing 4-hour and hourly bearish candles. So that's your intraday trend that you can see clearly on the 1-hour and 4-hour candles. 3-4 hour candles very bearish, no rejections at all. And then you get your retest early London session and you go for the short. Yesterday it didn't work out, obviously, but it's gonna work out 90% of the time. So yeah, we took it once ADX cross. So you can see below right there, once ADX cross, we waited for a 10% retracement. We got it perfectly right there, and we got a sniper entry on the trade. Okay. So that's it. That's the recap. And on the higher time frame, obviously we're still very bullish, but it doesn't matter. We're trading mostly around 100 ticks to the upside or downside. So very rarely I'll use like a daily bias, daily time frame bias. I'll have a bias for my session, but not necessarily for a swing position. That's NQ, guys. Barely touched take profit as well. Thanks for the roses, Jay. What up, Richard Balogun? How you doing, brother? Yeah, take a picture for the IG. Driving down. Again, we're gonna re-break close, but shorts are the way. They're the way sometimes they aren't the way. That's just the RR I use for my strategy, bro. No, I'm not joking about negative RR. My track record is public if you want to see it. Yeah, that was my actual RR. I'm gonna recap here before we end the stream. So basically, I trade every single morning NQ at 4 a.m. and then I post into my interactive journal, right? So what is the interactive journal? It's this. Every single day I take a trade at a certain time. I write the amount of ticks, units, and the result. Every single trade is live. All right. So basically, once the trade is finished, you have the YouTube link with the stream timestamp. So basically, every time you click on a stream link, you go directly to the me taking the trade live. You have the trading view screenshot as well. If the trade plays out during the next session, you have the link inside the Discord. All right. So this is basically a way for me to show my track record, where you have the proof and you'll have the, not the proof, but like the execution, and the proof will be a monthly broker statement that I'll paste the link to. All right. And if you want to use that as your journal, you can go to my Discord. Link is in my bio, like on every social media, and you can copy this journal as your own. And yeah, that's it. So for 2026. We're still in the negative after yesterday's loss, but it's looking fine. Yesterday was a rare loss. All right, so we're still doing pretty well. Minus 125 ticks in percentages. That's minus 0.29. So if we can catch a nice trade tomorrow, we'll be back in profit. And then next week we have a high probability of winning. So that's not too bad, not too bad. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok, IG, YouTube, as I'm live trading every day. You can join the Discord as well if you want to learn more and get the signals, chat with the other guys in there. All right, so I'm gonna end the stream. Have a great day, everyone.